Where's your kite?
There, pare.
Where?
There.
Let's zoom this shit. Thanks to the zoom. Ooh, there's the kite. So far away.
One last look.
One last look. Let's go back to the kite master himself. Ikaw ba ang tinaguri ang kite prophet?
That's what they say.
Putang ina. That's what they say.
Maybe I am.
Putang ina. Yes. See that little kite? It's like years away.
It's like a little cat. Cat can fly higher than
Hiya!
an eagle.